guys, welcome to another episode of Matt Zena Acting Tips. Right, I'm telling you off, you have made me cross. I don't know how many times I have to tell you as an actor that the key to you having a full-time career, that means not having a day job. That means not doing a job that you would rather not be doing. That means having plentiful and fruitful work. The key to it all is for you to get off your butt and start voiceover. That's right. Start with your voiceover career alongside your acting career. In fact, no, it's the same thing. Acting and voiceover, it is literally the same skills. It's just that one of them, it's just using one part of your skill set. You can get set up for less than 200 quid with decent equipment, all right? You can have plentiful and fruitful work. I interviewed the head of the Voiceover network and she said, look, you could have an amazing setup for 180 quid. She said, and imagine just being given that business to run alongside your acting career. In fact, I've just said it again, not alongside your acting career. It is your acting career. Actors, you don't want the day job. You don't want the job. You would rather be performing and acting. And I'm telling you now that voiceover is by far the most fruitful, plentiful, amazing way of you being able to sustain a full-time career from just acting. And you need to instantly do a few things. One, you need to start looking to the equipment that you need. You need to start learning about voiceover and how to kind of quickly edit some of your material, how to record it, how to literally how to get into character, because it's very, very similar. Think of all the different types of voiceover work. You know, you've got your video games now. There's going to be more and more. There's content. There's voiceover for adverts, commercials. There is so much. There's literally audiobooks. There's everything. And they just need people. There isn't, like, literally, I don't even think there's enough. All right? And that's why you need to get into it. Now, we actually have a course. All right, we have a course with a voiceover specialist known as Alan Shires, who's just done exactly this. He decided, I think he was like a manager in Costa and a part-time actor. And he was just like, right, I want to be a full-time actor. So what do I do? And he was like, right, voiceover. And he learned, and he's actually in the US, so he's going to be actually doing this particular course that I'm talking about. He's going to be doing it from the US because he's in a TV series over there, and he does voiceover, and he funded all of this and all of his career by doing voiceover, and actually got that trajectory in his career. That is what you should be doing. No excuses if that is genuinely your goal and your aim in this industry, okay? Whew, I think I've got the point across, okay? But yeah, voiceover, to summarize calmly, is really, really fruitful. It's plentiful. It's effectively everything that an actor wants from their acting career. And it's a huge part of it. It really, really is, okay? Make it part of your acting offering, make it part of your acting business now. As well as that, if you follow the special link that I'm going to put in the description, you can actually have that webinar course, beginning a kind of introduction to voiceover course with Alan Shires. You can actually have it for half price, but don't tell anyone. So I hope you take that message on board. This could be the most important episode of Matt Zena Acting Tips I ever do. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next week for another episode of Matt Zena Acting Tips.